exercising your willpower, taking on an energy of fun. That's what we're going to meditate on today. Daily meditation. It's the antidote to worries, stress, and nonstop thinking. For some people, it's like breaking out of the mental prison to find paradise. People suffer from stress, anxiety, depression, that lead to physical illnesses. So many people turn to medication for the answers, when the answers are inside you. Meditation will help you with all that stuff and more. It's actually the best way to start the day. It only takes a couple minutes. Why don't you hang around? Give it a try. Willpower. Basically, it's you having control of your actions, your impulses, self-control. But when we exercise our willpower, we can take scary situations, things that we're afraid of, and suddenly they can be fun. Riding a bicycle is a good example of that. When you're a kid and you get on that bicycle the first time, it's scary. You can fall. You can get hurt. But once you take that chance, you face that fear. You do have fun, but it took you to exercise your willpower. The difference between fear and fun is courage. Courage doesn't mean that you're not scared. Courage means that you're scared beyond belief. But somehow, you get yourself together enough to get on that bicycle and ride. Life is that way. Begin this meditation. Get yourself in a comfortable position. Close your eyes. We're going to set our intentions on joy, gratitude, and fun. We're going to take in 3 deep breaths. One more. Your willpower is the muscle of your mind that strengthens with every pledge. Every time you face a fear and you choose to smile and walk towards it, it confuses your body. We have that powerful mind-body connection. And we can choose when to send it mixed signals. We can choose to smile when we're scared. We have to stand in front of an audience, just like we have to ride that bicycle. Take a few moments. Think about all the things that you've overcome. Reflect on your past, the fears that you've faced, the challenges you've overcome. Look how far you've come. This is just another day. Life's a journey. We're constantly going down a path. If we never faced anything, it'd be a boring walk. Be grateful. Grateful for the challenges, grateful for the fears. Without them, we would never know courage. We would not enjoy the summit because we would not have the climb. Take 3 minutes and visualize yourself succeeding in whatever you need to do today. And do so with an energy of fun, enjoyment, pleasure, and have a plan of how that's going to go today before your day even goes. What are you going to do today to make it a little more fun, enjoyable, that you'll be grateful for tonight? I'll see you in 3 minutes. we're back. I want to thank you for spending some time with me today, and I really want to encourage you to go out and have fun today because, people are inspired when they see other people having fun. Thank you for meditating with me. I hope you've enjoyed this sunrise, and I hope this brightens your day. If you enjoyed this time together, please let me know in the comments. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone you love. Help me spread some sunshiny meditations in the morning. Peace and love.